It's hard to say what the best part of a big meal is. The delicious food, the incredible company, the dessert. But by far the worst part is having to clean all of those dishes when you're done. Now, the best way to handle a huge load of dishes is to outsource it to someone else, but the second best way is to clean as you go. That means finding little moments in the cooking process where you can tidy up, wash dishes, and put them away before you've even sat down to eat. I know that's harder than it sounds, so here are some strategies you can use. Prep as much as you can the day before, like chopping and measuring. It's called mise en place, and you can also mise en place your cleaning supplies right now too. Start with a clean kitchen. Empty the dishwasher, clean out the fridge, remove unnecessary items from the counter, and take out the trash. Triple bag the trash can. Having backup bags already in place means you can take out the trash in a split second, even when you think the oven time is about to go off. Read your recipes ahead of time and mark moments for cleanup. Those 20 minutes while something is baking could be 20 minutes that you're clearing the sink. Establish some countertop zones. This could mean a garbage bowl for scraps, a tool bowl for dirtied measuring spoons, and a clean space to set down jars from the fridge. Setting up these spaces prevents cross-contamination and will make things easier to reuse or put away. Start up a dish pan of soapy water. Soaking dishes will make them easier to clean later. Measure and spray over the dishwasher or sink. This way you won't have to make an extra effort to clean spills and overspray. You don't have to use every single one of these strategies. You can pick and choose the ones that suit your cooking style. The most important thing is that you feel calm and in control as you're cooking, and after you've enjoyed your meal.